Okay, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing okay. Let's see if statement in that. Let me just create a new file here in Visual Studio. Let me call it if statement dot dat. So you can call it what you want, but the extension have to be dot dat. And let me just do void main. So this is the function. We run everything in this function, and do val hour is equal to 20, and you can do if hour is less than 18, and come here and do print good day, and do else print good evening. And let me run this. Let me just close this terminal and come here to terminal, new terminal, and let me go to Control B. So you just do this, that if statement, the name of your file, if statement dot dat. As you can see, good evening, because the hour is 20. If I change less than 20, let me do 10, it will print. Let me just run again this file, good day, and let me comment this and move to the next example. And do string is alive, and do string and make a nullable data string status, and I can do if status is not equal to null. Let me put braces. You can even put braces here. I haven't used them, the braces. It is not very necessary, but if you want, you can put them, braces. And if status is not equal to null, is alive will be equal to status, else is alive is equal to RIP. So this is saying if status is null, is not equal to null, status has a value, is alive will be equal to that value of status. But if status is null, as it is the case here, status is null, is alive will be equal to RIP. Let me just do print is alive, save this and run again the file. You see it is equal to RIP, but there is something you can use to simplify this and write this in 2 lines. Let me just comment this. Can say string string question mark status. This is a null value. This is how we declare a null value. And do string, let me say string status. No, string is alive. Alive is equal to and say here string is alive is equal to status and put 2 question mark rep. Here I'm saying if string is if status is null, is alive will be equal to rep. Let me just repeat this. If status is null, as is the case, is null, so status is alive will be equal to rep. Let me just print this so you can see. Print is alive. It is the same thing as here, but here it is very short. See, it is equal to rep. And status here, let me show you, status is a null. As you can see, it is null. So this is the short one. So if you want, you can use this, but it's long. So use this is good practice. And let me just comment this. They are the same. They do the same thing. And let me come here and do string status again and do int correct answer is equal to 14. And you can do if, let me say if correct answer is greater than 10, I will print you passed the exam. And else can print you didn't study enough. Yeah, let me tell to the student that he didn't study or she didn't study enough. Yeah. If correct answer is greater than 10, so we will print you passed the exam. If it is less, we will tell the student you didn't study enough. Let me just save this and run. You passed the exam. So this here, let me just comment this and show you another shortcut. Let me just comment this and I will show you what we call short if or ternary operator. Yeah, ternary operator or short if. We will do, let me just copy this. Okay, we have them. Let me just copy them, cut them and bring them here. Okay, so you can see them. Then I will do, let me just do this. Let me copy it. Let me cut it and come back here and do it is equal. Here I will put a condition. Put the condition if correct answer is greater than 10, then put question mark, and I will do this. You passed the exam. It is the same thing as this if statement, and put double point. So I want to save my time and just copy this and put semicolon. This will do what it will do. If this condition is true, it will print you passed the exam. Here it is true because you have 14. It will print you passed the exam. If it is false, it will print you didn't pass, you didn't study enough. Let me just reduce the marks and put 9 and print status. Print status. And if I print this, you didn't study enough, because this condition is false, it will print this one, this second one. And let me show you the last example. So if statement, I think, is very clear. And the last example, we do int time is equal to 12, and let me do string greeting and do if time is less than 10, let me use braces, can say greeting is equal to good morning. It is in the morning. Good morning. Then let me just copy this. I will use it. Then let me come back here. Let me come here. Else if we didn't saw this before. Else if in the middle you have to put else if you have another condition. Else if time is less than 20, let me just paste this. We do good day, and then we'll put else, and we will print good evening. So here, if time is less than 10, we will print good morning. If else if time is less than 20, good day. Here we can even put else if time is less than 24, but it is not necessary. So it is not necessary. So here it will print good evening. So in the middle you have to put else if. You can even put many else if you want, many condition here you want, so it will not kill your program. But you have to start by if, and else comes at the closing one, then last one. But in the middle you can put many else if as you wish. And let me just print this so you can see. Print greeting, and let me do this. Run the file again. Good day. Let me try to put this to 23. See, good evening. Yeah, and if I put 14, it will tell me good day again. Yeah, but if I put you can play with it, 6, it will tell me good morning. Yeah, you see my program is working very well. So this is for today. I hope you have learned something new. You got something new from this video. This is what I want. So if you have any question, just ask the question in the comment section and I will respond very quickly. And you can send me an email if you want. If you have any question, just go in the comments on the description of this video to get my contact. And see you in the next video. Share this video. Peace, my people.